Hello friends, this video on organic chemistry basic part 11 is brought to you by examfear.com. No more fear from exam. Let's understand the nomenclature of alicyclic compounds. Here the word cyclo prefix is used before the word root because if it is a ring chain, and ene is used based on saturation, based on it is single bond, double bond or triple bond. This is for single bond, double bond or triple bond. And the numbering is done in such way to give the least possible number to the functional group. As we have seen, there also functional group is the least possible number, and then we have the bonds, double bond, and then we have even a branch. That is the least possible thing, right? Functional group is the first priority, then bond, and then branch. So for example, this one, there are 3 carbons, so it's since it's cyclo, first cyclo word is used. 3 carbon, prop, all single bond, A. So this is cyclopropane. Similarly, here also is a cycle loop. So cyclo, there are 6 carbon, it's hex, and all single bond, hexane. There are 3 carbons here, so cyclopropane. There are 6 carbon, cyclohexane. Let's try to name this. So as I told, the numbering has to be done in such a way that this functional group get the least possible. So I have option of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I also have option of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So in both case OH get the first one, but here if you see the branch gets 3 and here it gets 5. So I'll take the blue one, the 3 one. 5 I'll ignore because it has more number. Correct? So this is my numbering. So with that numbering, first I'll write the prefix. The prefix is the methyl at 3rd position. So 3-methyl is my prefix. Then I have my ring here. So it is cyclo, and there are 6 one. So it hex, all single, ane, and the alcohol group ol. So it is 3-methyl cyclohexanol. Correct? 3rd position I have methyl, so 3-methyl. Then I have to write the word root. But before that, since it is cyclic, so 3-methyl cyclohexane, all single, ane, and then alcohol, ol. Let's try to number this. It is double bond, so ene is the functional group here. So this should be the least number, right? So I have to make it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is one option. The other option is, so this is my first option, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I can have other option also where I can start from here at 1. But with that, it will increase the count because this is the methyl group attached, and it will increase the count. So these are the 2 options I have now, 2 better options. So if I take in both case green and red, my 1 is the double bond, so that is fine. Now let's add the methyl group. So if I take the red, so I have methyl group at 2 and 3 position. And if I take the green, I have methyl group at 1 and 5 position. That is 1 and 5. This is equal to 6. Right, and this is equal to 3. So I'll ignore the green one. So this is not the correct one because I'm getting the higher numbers here. So this one is my correct numbering thing. So this is done. That means 50% of the question is solved. So the name of this compound will be, I have a methyl group here. So it will be 2-methyl. In fact, at 1 and 2 I have methyl group, so it's 1, 2 dimethyl. This is my prefix. And then I have cyclo. I have 5 carbon here, cyclopent, right? And I have ene. Why? This double bond. Since it has 1 position, I can write pent 1 ene, or I can just write pentene. If it is not there, that means it is at position 1. So this is 1, 2 dimethyl cyclopentene. Let's take another one. So here my ketone, and I have alcohol group. So ketone is given more priority, so I have option of numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I also have another way of numbering. Let me number that. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In both case, my first is for ketone, but when you take green, the alcohol gets 3 position. If you take blue, the alcohol gets 5 position. So we'll ignore the blue one because green looks better now because in green alcohol gets third position. So this is my correct numbering convention. So let's start with the name. What is the prefix? We have prefix. We have at third alcohol. So we'll have 3-hydroxy as the prefix. Then we have 6. So it's cyclo, hex, all single bond, ane, and we have a ketone group, one. So you can say hexanone, 1 one, or we can just say hexanone because this is that position 1, so 1 is not even required. Correct. Let's try to name this. So there are various ways of naming it. So here we have a ethyl alkyl group, least priority. Then I have alkene group, more priority. So let's name in this fashion 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's name in another ways also. Let's name in this fashion 1, 2, 3, 4. There are other ways. Let me see that. So instead of starting at 1 at this position, I will start at 1 from this position. So this will be 1, 2, 3, 4. There's one more way. We'll just flip that. So instead of 1, 2, 3, 4 in this direction, it is 1, 2, 3. So let's see which one is best. So if I take blue, let me write everything in black. If I take blue color, so in this case, my alkene anyway is in 1, but my alkyl and aldehyde are at second position. This is 2 plus 2, that is, right? 1 for alkene, 2 and 2 for aldehyde. This is for ethyl and 1 for methyl. This guy is ethyl, this is methyl. So 1 plus 2 plus 2, that is 5. If I consider red one, so 1 for alkene and then 4 for ethyl, 4 for methyl, that is 9. If I consider green, then 1 for alkene and 3 for ethyl and 3 for methyl, that is 7. If I consider black, 1 for alkene and then 3 for ethyl and 3 for methyl. So which one is the lowest? Blue is the lowest. So that means we can cut other one. So blue is the best possible naming convention. I hope you understand this. So the name of this compound will be, if we have taken this guy now, the blue one is correct. So it will be at 2 I have ethyl and methyl group. E comes first, ascending order, ethyl and methyl, right? Both are at 2 position. E come first, so it will be 2 ethyl, 2 methyl. At 2 I have methyl also, right? I have methyl, and then I have cyclic ring, so cyclo. There are 4 carbons here, so it is but. At 1 position I have ene, so it is butene. Thank you. Visit examfear.com to watch free educational videos, try free online tests, get the best quality study materials, study from the best tutors and mentors, and much more. Thanks once again.